Page 20. 3. Uncle Fred and me.
My Uncle Fred likes going to the park and running with his friends. My Uncle Fred likes fishing in the lake, watching hockey on TV, and eating chocolate cake. Wow! What a big fish! Oh no! What an old boot, says Uncle Fred. My Uncle Fred loves walking with his ducks and singing in the rain. My Uncle Fred loves playing his guitar, wearing very silly clothes, and taking photos of his car. What a beautiful yellow car! I love my car, says Uncle Fred. I like flying my new kite, and I like riding on my bike. I love jumping 1, 2, 3, and reading scary stories in this tree. I like watching happy little birds, and I love spelling very long words. Alphabet. What a long word! Uncle Fred and I love wearing funny socks and sitting on these rocks. We love finding big white shells and swimming in the sea. I love my Uncle Fred, and my Uncle Fred loves me.